That could be your intro. Yeah.
I'm back, ninjas. No, I'm not gonna do that. Please put that in. Please don't. Please don't. I'm back with another video in 7 months. This is painful. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I'm just trying to make sure my distance is good.
You just like, oh.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm back with another video in 7 months. Consistency is key, so if I do this now, December should be fine. This is painful. So I am back and I revamped my channel. This would be like the 3rd time, but the first time actually executing it. I can go on and on and on, and it'll probably be a separate video of the thing and the future goals for this channel, but for now, it is all things drugstore, affordable, easy, realistic, and cute. Because you know what? These days, it gets mad unrealistic because these baddies are all on Instagram and they're hot, and that's the life they live. But this one's more realistic, you know? Sometimes the pictures aren't always, you know, 110% real. Am I super close? I should get close. Oh, I just bounced all a lot. It isn't 110% real. You know, sometimes things are edited, sometimes things are touched up a little bit, sometimes they don't even do their own makeup. It's a lovely life, really it is. However, it's not in the budget, time, anything, and I'm here to represent my armpit. No, not that. To represent the typical real female. So there's a couple of new things I wanted to touch on. The fact that I'm gonna aim for 2 times a week, maybe 3 depending on how this whole thing goes out, maybe 2, probably 2, because I want to get good content out. I don't want to do half booty content and then put that out there acting like it's gonna be alright, because it's not. Because I have goals for this channel. I have a lot of things I've been working on that I will tell you guys about when the time is right, which will probably be soon. Okay, so when I started this whole thing, I kind of revamped my makeup collection, and by revamped I mean filter it out, because what I'm going to be using to actually film is a little different than what I use at home. Now I do have a lot of high-end products, more like a lot of eye palettes, this and that, primers, highlights, but the thing is I wanted to focus primarily on the typical individual who doesn't feel like spending $56 on 7 or 8 eyeshadows. I feel like that's not the typical person, or a lot of them spend the money and they don't even use it or don't know how to use it. And I'm here to show that not everything has to be big ballin' baby status, because you shouldn't have to be a sugar baby in order to get your makeup. That's what I think, honestly. What? I'm getting so much judgment. If you're on a budget, if you're like me where you work a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot and still have no money, you want to be able to still wear makeup. And that for me is a huge thing. So if we can find out what products in the drugstore are actually really good and worth the $8, or the more high-end drugstore that are like $16, where you're like, ooh, at the register, and you're like, how? But is it worth it? I'm taking the L and I'm buying these things for you guys, so you guys can see if it's actually worth it. And I'm gonna be trying out new things. I'm gonna be redoing some faces that you'll see online with only drugstore products. I'm gonna be doing my own faces that I've done in the past, in my past videos, with the drugstore products. So I'm super excited to be doing all of that. And again, I'm working on a couple of things, so y'all just have to keep up with me. I'm all over the place and it's gonna be fine, and it's probably gonna get worse. I'm trying to stay consistent. I want to get on like a schedule and then actually be able to stick to it and not overwork or compromise good quality content for a lousy, crappy content just because, oh, it's the 3 days. You know, it's like, oh, you know, I did a full face like this, and then I did a haul of this, but then the 3rd one I'm eating cereal on camera. I've done that before, didn't I? Okay, good. We're gonna have a couple of special guests, because I know a few people who are working on some things as well, and I'm gonna be having a lot of interesting and questionable people on my channel, so there's that. And your baby's gonna kill me for all this moving around, but I like it because I feel like I can be
with the posing.
Everyone wants.
That could be your intro. Yeah.
I'm back, ninjas. No, I'm not gonna do that. Please put that in. Please don't. Please don't. I'm so convicted. My hair, I have too much hair in my head. I was complaining a couple of weeks ago that I didn't have enough. Now it's a bit much, and I'm like. So basically, where have I been? I've been getting a lot of things done. I got a car in the process. Baby moved. Everything was going on. A lot of wedding planning, a lot of ups, and a lot of downs. But we'll talk about that one day when I stop showing so much skin. Right now we're working. It is kind of like a grinding season kind of thing because I'm swinging work. And then the second thing, and then this. That was so cute. That was cute. Okay, we got a lot done. I'm not gonna say it was a waste of time because we got a, whoo. Like this is a lot. We got this. And it's been insane and hectic, but you know what? We're still alive and we thank God, right? There's that. Then I'm gonna be having a couple of people on, which is good. I'm working on something else, which I'll probably, again, tell you guys about when, probably by the next time I film, so that's super exciting, so look out for that. I just want a channel where you can be a normal human being. You don't have to look like Barbie. If you have crust in your eyes, I'll accept you and love you, like myself. And I just want it to be chill and relaxed, a little chill place you can go where people look like you, people look like me. It's not fake, it's real, probably too real, probably too much. You're probably like, oh my gosh, get away. I can smell your breath, but I like that. You don't like that? And I think that's just about it. If you guys enjoy this video, if you guys like the direction this whole thing is going, be sure to subscribe because again, there's a lot of things I'm working on, and with subscriptions, there's gonna come a lot of other things, and I just want it to be litty committee, okay? It's gonna be lit. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys. Love ya. Ski ya. Skibby pop pop. And so boom.
I hope Walker